I've been using AlgoPro for a while now, and in this video, I'll provide my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the essential features, potential risks, and considerations, so by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether AlgoPro is the right trading tool for you. Key features: advanced algorithmic trading. AlgoPro is designed to simplify trading with smart automation for markets like futures, forex, crypto, and options. User-friendly experience. Trusted by thousands of users, AlgoPro provides a seamless and intuitive interface, making it accessible for traders of all levels. Customizable strategies. Create and optimize your trading strategies using advanced backtesting tools to fine-tune performance before going live. Real-time live trading. Execute strategies with confidence using real-time live trading features supported by powerful trading tools and VIP access to exclusive insights. Lifetime access. Enjoy free lifetime updates and access to premium features, ensuring you stay ahead in the evolving trading landscape. Secure and risk-free. With a 70-day money-back guarantee, you can try AlgoPro risk-free and gain confidence in its capabilities. Costs. While the platform offers value with lifetime access, upfront costs might be a consideration for those starting with a limited budget. Pros and cons. Pros. Smart automation. AlgoPro's algorithms simplify complex trading tasks. Customizability allows users to create and test their own strategies for optimal results. Lifetime updates. Stay ahead with free lifetime feature upgrades. Risk-free trial. 70-day money-back guarantee ensures users can test the platform with peace of mind. Market versatility supports multiple markets, including futures, forex, crypto, and options. Cons. Steep learning curve. Advanced features like backtesting and strategy customization may require time for beginners to master. Market dependency. Like all trading tools, AlgoPro's success depends on market conditions, which can be unpredictable. If you're looking to simplify and enhance your trading experience with smart algorithms and customizable strategies, AlgoPro could be a great fit. However, always consider your trading goals and consult with an expert if needed before making any decisions.